Good morning! We are at Animal Kingdom today. Garrett's hiding. We're at Animal Kingdom today. We just walked in and it's raining. So that will be great. Guess that's what I get for coming to Florida in June. Actually, just coming to Florida in general. It's always raining here, let's be real. We just walked in and we are going to head over to Safari. We have a fast pass for it right now. So let's do it. How was the safari?
Wet.
It was wet. We are now in ponchos. It's fine. Except Garrett should have bought me a child size because I'm literally drowning in those ponchos.
You'll survive.
It's okay. Anywho, what are we doing right now? We're walking. We're seeing animals on the animal trails. And then we're going to be on our way for Flight of Passage. We have a Flight of Passage Fast Pass that just started, so we're going to do that. Look at the gorillas. They're just eating and being gorillas. So, question for you guys. How would you rather spend your day at Disney? In the hot sun in the summer?
With 98% humidity.
With 98% humidity. Or a rainy day?
With 100% humidity.
With 100% humidity.
Like a little bit cooler temperature.
But a little bit cooler. I mean, I feel like I'm sweating a little bit in my poncho, I'm not gonna lie. These noises are very loud right now.
The idea. We're in Pandora.
We just walked into Pandora, by the way. And yeah, I don't know. Comment down below. What do you guys think? Would you rather be in the hot sun or would you rather be rainy? I think right now, I'm voting rain. What do you vote, Garrett? We'll have to let you know if that changes, but right now I'm voting rain. It's not pouring right now, though. It's just kind of like a weird sprinkle. I don't know. Since we booked such a last minute trip. We literally just booked this a week ago, and when we decided to go to Animal Kingdom, it just came up for like first thing in the morning. It was perfect. Woohoo! We are in the queue right now to go into the first room, and we've only been in line for like 3 minutes, so this has been awesome.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves.
Some of this flight might be intense, but trust your guide and be brave. As the Na'vi say during this important rite of passage, Sivako, rise to the challenge.
We just rode a Flight of Passage. That ride is so amazing. I feel like every single time I'm on it, I just have this like cheesy smile the entire time. I'm like, Just like looking around the entire time, like I look so, probably like such a creep, but it just makes you so happy, you know? If you have not been to Animal Kingdom, or if you have been and you have not been on Flight of Passage yet, it is a must do. Must do. All right, we are at Pandoras Passage again. Sorry, you will see us eating here a lot because we love this place. So I got the noodles this time and chicken with creamy herb dressing, of course. I also got the blonde ale this time. Garrett got the Moara ale. Talking is hard. And he got the chicken and beef with the noodles and creamy herb. Yummy! And we're also meeting some YouTubers here in a few minutes. Stay tuned for that.
Originally, one Navi would sit up here, and with their great size, one player could reach all the instruments with ease.
All right, we are at Nomad Lounge and we have drinks and we met friends.
Hi.
This is Daniel right here, and this is Zach. They also have a YouTube channel. We will link them up above and down below. Wow. They actually live here, so they do a lot of cool things. They live right here at Nomad Lounge. Can you believe it?
You just go through that door.
What life do they live? So you should definitely go check them out because they're amazing and super fun. And we got some drinks. What'd you get, Garrett?
The Zinger.
The Zinger. I think he got this the last time. It has a pretty flower on it.
It's like a Moscow Mule.
You like it a lot.
Annapurna Sing.
Annapurna Sing. Interesting.
Sounds like a
I, of course, got the Lamu libation because what else can you get here?
I got a glass of water because I'm the designated driver.
responsible.
And he also got a Lamu libation, let's be real. Zach, what'd you
I
get?
got the leaping lizard. I have absolutely no idea what's in it.
Ooh.
Is it good?
Is it good?
It's okay.
Does it taste like pineapple?
Has actual lizard.
Oh.
It does.
Does it taste like a lizard?
There's so many.
What do lizards taste like?
Vloggers vlogging.
We might have imbibed a few drinks.
I'm not there yet.
This is when vloggers meet up. They all just film each other. We just go into each other's eyes. And he turned the camera on us, and he put the screen down, and we don't know what to look at.
I know.
Whenever
that's
we
hard.
don't have a screen because it's up there.
We don't know.
So,
And then
then they film us filming ourselves.
What was the question?
A one-word Disney title that has all 5 vowels in it.
I remember.
A one-word Disney title.
No why, right?
No why, not sometimes why. Yeah, sometimes why is not in it.
That's cheating.
You know?
I'm thinking. I'm trying to think. I'm like counting vowels as I'm going through the names. This is Connor. You know the answer?
We got this question the other day, so it's no fair.
Oh. Did you know the answer though?
No, gay days.
Did you know the answer or did they have to tell you?
Didn't. Actually, this group of kids figured it out.
It's not working. Pre-golden, post-golden, so newer. It's not Moana, obviously. That's just O and A. I don't know.
Fail.
No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that.
We're not doing that. You're not allowed.
Give you more hints.
Okay.
So we're gonna do, I want you to think about food.
Ratatouille. That was easy. Once you talked about food. We like food.
Babe, the Lotso.
Yes, the Lotso. Yeah, we definitely need that Lotso. I love Lotso. Any and all.
Thank you. Thanks for playing.
Legit, too.
We're not Star Wars.
It's legit too. Oh my gosh, I love that one. No, let me take it.
Hong Kong Disneyland.
Yep, give me that. Put it in my hand.
It's better than Hong Kong Phooey.
Put it in my hand.
All right. Well, Connor, it's been a pleasure.
Thanks for playing.
Thank you, Connor.
Thank you, Connor. Have a magical day. All right, guys. I guess I should tell you what we're doing. We're going to ride Expedition Everest. We have a fast pass for it, and we're going to do that. And then I don't know what we're doing, so we'll find out.
friends now. Oh, okay.
We crossed that barrier.
Yes, of course.
You made me risk my life on that unstable vehicle.
And now we're friends, so...
I always love Everest.
It's so great. I just told Garrett to get down to my level, so he's really on my level. Where are we going, Garrett?
We're gonna go on Navi River Journey while Daniel and Zach are on Flight of Passage. It's Zach's first time, so we kind of had to like
Give him a little
psych
pump
him
up.
up. And I said, if worse comes to worse, just shut your eyes and it's a great bumpy road.
Yes. Otherwise, we are going on Navi River Journey, so we'll take you guys along. So we just rode Navi River Journey.
And I got to see it without my sunglasses. Yeah. Because last time I got to ride, I was forced to wear my sunglasses. So Navi River Journey, if you don't know, is a glow-in-the-dark ride. So compare dark with my sunglasses. It was a lot better when you could actually see what was happening.
Okay guys, look at our up backpack. It's kind of unzipped right now, but it says adventure is out there, and it has the up house with all of these pins that we've added to it, and of course it has the Wilderness Explorer badge, but we added some of our up pins to it. This is just some of our up pin collection, but we just love it so much, and we're so happy to add these pins to it. Ah! Oh. Wait a wizard. I want to touch you. Oh, just kidding.
So what are we doing now?
So now we are going to wait for Daniel and Zach to get off of Flight of Passage, and then we are going to head to Epcot.
What are we going to do in Epcot?
We have a Soarin' Fast Pass, and we are gonna drink. I think this is enough for you today, so we are going to sign off here. Stay tuned for the next video where we go to Epcot with the WDW Aristocrafts. And otherwise, we will see you guys later. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Disney content. And we'll see you guys real soon.
See ya.
Bye.